Hello students, welcome again to the class. Today in this class, we will solve more questions of exercise 3.3 of chapter 3, that is the understanding quadrilaterals. Now without delaying, let's come to the point. As you are seeing in the video, that the question 5th. What is the question 5th? Question 5th states that the measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measures of each of the angles of parallelogram. Okay. So adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in ratio 3:2. First of all, let's draw a parallelogram. Instead, this is a parallelogram. Here in this parallelogram, there are four angles, four sides. Let's name it as a B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Now we have to find out two adjacent angles. Angles of parallelogram in which two adjacent angles are in ratio 3:2. What we know about parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite angles are equal. Whose opposite angles are equal. So we know that some measures of adjacent angles is 180 degree in a parallelogram. So let's think angle A, angle D, angle B, angle C. So some of the measures of adjacent angles, that is the angle A and angle B, is equal to 180 degree, or we can state A or D is also equal to 180 degree. So the ratio of adjacent angles are in 3:2. 3:2. So we state that let's consider the angle is X. If angle is X, then angle A would be 3x, angle B would be 2x, and is equal to 180 degree. 5x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 divided by 5, and it comes out to be 36 degree. If X is 36 degree, then angle A is 3 into 36, that's 108. Angle B is 2 into 36, 72. Angle A is 108. Angle B is 72. We know that the opposite angles in a parallelogram are always equal. So we make C, according to this property, C is 108. D is the opposite of the B, hence D will be 72 degree. So this is the solution of question 5. I hope you understand it well. Now, let's come to next questions. That is the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measures. Find the measures of each of the parallelogram. Find the measures of each of the parallelogram. So how would you find out? Adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measures. Equal measures. Adjacent angle. Find the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram. So let's consider a parallelogram. Let's consider this is a parallelogram ABCD. A, B, C, and D. We draw this line. Okay. From A to C. This is the AC is the diagonal of this parallelogram, and again BD is the. This is the intersection, point of intersection. This let name it as O. This is the parallelogram. So adjacent angles of a parallelogram means A or D are of equal measure, D or C is equal measure, C or B is equal measure, A or B is equal measure, but D is opposite to B, and A is opposite to C. So we have to find out measures of each of angles of a parallelogram. In this parallelogram, A and D are supplementary. A and D are supplementary according to the property of the parallelogram. Hence, we can state that DC is parallel to AB. DC is parallel to AB. And with traversal, angle A and D are interior angles. Angle A and angle B are also supplementary. AD, AB AD is parallel to BC, and it has interior angles A and B. So sum of adjacent angles are 180 degree. As we know that sum of angles A and angle B is equal to 180 degree. Now let each adjacent angle is X. Consider X. Then this is also X, 180 degree. 2X is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 90 degree. So what we state here, each adjacent angle is of 90 degree. In a parallelogram, each of the angle is of 90 degree. So we can state according to the rules of the parallelogram. I hope you understand it well. Now, let's come to next question. That is the question number 7 of exercise 3.3. Question number 7, what it says? The adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. HOPE, 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 HOPE. These are the 4 points, HOPE. Find the angle measures x, y, and z. State the property you use to find them. We have studied that in a parallelogram, the opposite angles are always equal as well as opposite sides. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So we use this property in a parallelogram and we can calculate the value of x, y, z. Here, there is a angle HOP. HOP angle. HOP. This is the angle. So, angle of linear pair. HOP, angle of linear pair. We can state here that sum of linear pair is HOP plus 70 is equal to 180 degree. These are the adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are supplementary angles. HOP plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. So HOP is, angle HOP is 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. 110 degree. So which angle is 110 degree? E and O. This O angle is, this angle is 110, and according to the rules of or property of the parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, hence this x is also 110 degree. So here the value of x is 110 degree because of opposite angles property. Now what is y? Y. Angle y is the alternate angle, interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle in a parallelogram or in a triangle is always equal. Hence, if y is equal, according to this rule, y is 40 degree. Then what about the z? Z plus 40 is equal to 70 degree because of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So Z plus 40 is equal to 70. These are the corresponding angles, Z and this 70. And this whole angle is H is Z plus 40. So now Z is equal to 70 minus 30, 40 is equal to 30. So we can calculate according to the rules of parallelogram that which properties we have used in this. We have used alternate interior angles property, opposite angles property of a parallelogram, corresponding angles of a parallelogram. So that is the value of x is 110, y is 40, and z is 30 degree. Today in this video, I have covered 3 questions, 5th, 6th, and 7th. Rest of the questions I will solve in next coming video. So till then, please watch our YouTube channel HomeLearns. Thank you.